Hello, welcome back everyone. Thank you so much for tuning back in to Shayla's Journey to Success. I say good morning if you are joining my flow to start your day. And if not, no matter the time, I welcome you and thank you so much for joining. Get comfortable, breathe. It's going to be a great little yoga session. I'm going to get my socks off. I'm going to get comfortable. Let's begin by finding yourself in a very comfortable cross-legged position on the floor, or as they call it, an easy pose. Your legs will be crossed. If you want to stay in bed, you are more than welcome to do so. Just get comfortable. Some of us need to adjust on the backside with a little cushion. Just get in a good seated position. I want to say thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe while you're taking a few breaths with me. If you have been coming to this channel and you are a regular, thank you so much. Last week's video and the new subscribers that have joined since then was phenomenal. The energy was so elevated and I wanted to bring you another little piece to continue this open mindset we are in right now together. So take a few deep breaths with me and we're going to begin. Starting with neck rolls, we're going to go in one direction. Usually I start going towards my right side, but we'll do 5 breaths. So as you rotate, inhale deep, exhale as it comes towards the front side. Take a little hold and stretch it out a little more and begin again. Again, it's going to be 5 breaths, so take your time. You'll see me hang my head a little bit after each one, but I'm just enjoying the stretch. Remember, if you're waking up, take your time. You don't have to keep up with me. It's a 10-minute stretch just so you wouldn't be held up with your busy day. But do as you need. Take what you need from it. Go ahead and get adjusted. After that last exhale, take a little breath, and we're going to rotate it to the other side. Whichever side you started on, whether it was your left or your right, just continue in that direction. Inhale, take your time, exhale. Hold it if you like, and start again. You're doing great. Keep breathing. Don't overthink it. Don't sweat it. If you lose count, just look back up and see where I'm at. On your last exhale, you'll come back center. We're going to take 4 deep breaths, and on that 4th exhale, we'll breathe out and gently twist to the right and hold. Take your time. Watch those shoulders. As you inhale, you want to relax them down each time, away from your ears. And on that last exhale, you will twist gently to the right and hold it. We'll take another 4 breaths. Enjoy this moment. And on your 4th exhale, you'll come back center again. Readjust yourself in that position. Take another good breath. Find yourself on that exhale, twisting to the left, holding it, and doing another 4 breaths. Remember, on that 4th exhale, you'll come back center. Take your time. This is your me time. This is your time to take care of yourself. Self-care is vital. If you find it difficult with your breathing or trying to get adjusted to it, just practice a 3 count in your head. 3 count in when you inhale, 3 count out when you exhale. Coming center, we're going to take a big inhale, reaching our arms up above our head. Exhale slowly down, taking that exhale, hands to heart or prayer position as you may know it. 2 breaths here. On that 2nd exhale, we're going to release and drop our right arm to our right side, a little bit off to the side or behind it, reaching our left arm over our head and stretching to the side for 4 breaths. Take your time. You'll see that I kind of move my left arm with my inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Join in if you like, or just hold that stretch. You're going to come back down center, readjust. Take a breath and do it all over again. Arms up on that inhale and switching over to our left side now. Arm over the head, elongating that opposite side The arm in the back doesn't need to be stretched and extended, just a little slight bend. And again, you'll see me breathing in and exhaling out, breathing in and using my arm movements with my breaths. On that last exhale, you will come back center. Arms will go up over your head, back down, supreme pose, right to your heart. Transitioning now, take another great big inhale. Exhale, you're going to reach forward into a forward fold for 4 breaths. I have to reposition myself and do as you need, adjust as you need, and get right back into it. Take your time. No regrets, no mistakes. You're just enjoying your me time. 4 breaths, and about that 5th one you'll take coming back up. Take your time. Walk your hands back onto your thighs. We're going to get some more breaths in and go into 2 shoulder rolls forward and then 2 back. So whichever direction you lead with works perfectly fine. Take some breaths. Take another inhale. And on your exhale, we'll straighten out our legs in front of us. Find a most comfortable position for yourself. Adjust as need to. And we'll take a few breaths, just swaying our feet side to side to wake them up as well. As your feet sway and you take your breaths, I just want to inform you this pose is similar to an upward facing plank without the lift. So with that, you did a few breaths and you'll see me repositioning. Wherever you are now, on that exhale, you just lay flat on your back and we will flow into knee rolls. You've done it before in my previous video, and we're just rolling one side, swaying to the other for about 4 breaths. Now, don't worry about getting the positioning perfect. This is all practice. I just want you to focus on your breaths. Inhale, readjust, exhale, and let those knees sway and drop to the floor as much as you can. Holding it and enjoying the stretch and opening up those hips. Now we're moving forward and we're going to cross your right leg over your left thigh, easily, slowly lifting up that leg and placing your hands between them to hold. We'll do 5 breaths here in this supine pigeon pose. On that 5th exhale, when you get there, you'll slowly ease that left leg down to the floor and release the right. But for now, y'all, just enjoy your breaths, enjoy this stretch, and focus on your reason why you woke up today to do the things you have planned and the goals you have set to make it through this day. All right, slowly ease that leg down, bringing it right back to the side, releasing that right one, and we're going to kick out and up and crossing the left leg now over the right. We'll again slowly ease with the inhale, exhale, grabbing that thigh, and just breathing in those 5 breaths again. Meditating on the moment right now that you're in, staying in control of your breaths, guiding yourself through this position. If it feels a little bit too tight, you can definitely ease the legs down slightly, but I think you got this. If your back is hurting too much, definitely be sure to put something underneath it. But at this point, you've already done it. You've made it this far. Now keep breathing with me. We're nearly done. We're going to turn over slowly, easy, gently, onto all fours with a flat tabletop, palms underneath your shoulders into cat-cow position. You're going to hear that crazy name often, but you're going to look up at the ceiling, inhaling, and you're going to bring that rib cage up, exhaling, looking in at your navel, and continue with 4 total. You'll see me add in toe curls, but you definitely do not have to. Just focus on that stretch. Hold it if you need to. It feels so good to me. And then back into it in the inhale, exhale. Awesome. Walk your way around if you like to, or stay where you're at because I'm just showing you positions. We're going to stretch your bottom back into child's pose with extended arms. Body folded, resting on your thighs. Reach both arms out forward and press that floor with your palms. 4 breaths. Keep breathing. It's a great position for you to be in. On that exhale, you're going to come up. We're going to reposition and laying flat. Pushing those palms up. Reaching up, breathing in an upward facing dog. Hold it. Exhale, push your body back. Lifting yourself up into a downward facing dog. Stretch it out. Pedal your feet. Take what you can get from it. Remember, you're not going to be perfect at this. You're new, and if you're not, you got this, but just practice. You're going to walk yourself up, hop, whatever it takes. Walk your arms up. Inhale, arms overhead, and exhale, hands to heart. Thank you so much for tuning in. Namaste. Until I see you next time. Bye.